Here everyone, and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add friends in Clash Royale. So if you don't see the add friend button, don't worry, I will explain why and how to fix it. So let's get started. First, open Clash Royale. Tap the social icon, then go to the Friends tab. If your screen only shows invite friend or you don't see the add friend option at all, don't panic. The reason the add friend button is missing is that your account is not connected to Supercell ID. Without Super ID, Clash Royale doesn't allow adding friends. Alright? So to fix this, tap connect at the bottom of the screen and log in or create a Supercell ID using your email, and after that verify the code sent to your email. Then after that, just create your account. Once connected, the add friends feature will be unlocked. To add friend, go to the settings, and then after that, tap your Supercell ID. Then after, tap friends. Here you can now add a new friend using their player tag or invite link. So that's it. Now you know how to add friends in Clash Royale. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.